Back on live. I promised y'all quick video each day as we keep opening up boxes. I'll wait for people to jump on. Hold on. Live, Big Jeff Audio, Black Diamond. Let's wait for a couple people to jump on. Get to look at a few products each day. All this is up for sale at bigjeffaudio.com. You can also call us here, 352-304-6699. Yep, we're jumping on. Keep y'all coming. Happy Veterans Day for all of you that gave your time. We appreciate you. I know we're getting ready for Christmas, Black Friday, a little bit of everything. I'm gonna pick this bad boy up. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, that's a beast. That's a beast. Okay, so want to show you today what we got here. So we got drivers, two drivers. One is with a titanium coil and one is with a phenolic. So those are on there. This is a 2-inch diameter screw on, as you can see. Hold on, let me steady that for you. There's your specs. So we have this up. There is the phenolic and the titanium. Somebody look up the cost on the D2, please. The DIA D2. I have my team here behind me, all working hard at work. All back there. D2, anybody? Map price DIA-D2. So $49.99, and obviously as you buy more, you'll get a discount. Nice Black Diamond logo. Going to get any more Genius? No. Genius, I'm not going to get into it all, but that was a joke, man. They didn't warranty stuff. They didn't have product. It was a mess. We went all out on that for them, and man, I don't even know if they're still even doing anything. But let's talk Black Diamond because you don't need to worry about Genius. Okay, so we have these in titanium and also phenolic. All right, now here I want to show you how. Look up the DIA-T1. Nice tweeter. Okay, $31.99 for that set, guys, girls. You definitely need to jump on that. All right, here's the specs here. Give you all a second to take a read. Nice tweezers. I like the diamond on it. Comes with the capacitor. If you notice too, that's already attached. You don't have to worry about that. And then let's go over to subwoofers. There's a bunch of different ones. We have singles, duals, and then we have some big boy 2000 watters. But I'm going to show you the 8S, please. Oh, excuse me, the DIA-10S. Single voice coil, 10-inch, everyone. $68.99 for a 10-inch subwoofer. Pretty beefy, ain't it? Single 4. We have these in 8s, 10s, and 15s. 1 second, I'll bring out the specs for you. You can see right there, that is pretty beefy. And let's open this speckers up. Here we go. Make it so you all can see it. 4 ohms, 220 watts RMS, 440 peak. Again, this is only, how much was this, 10? Yeah. So $68.99. So inexpensive, pretty beefy speaker, real efficient. No need a big amp. You saw the amps yesterday. We have the 12S, and then which I will break out tomorrow, the T series. Just give you a little glimpse of the T. Here's the T12 Come dual 4 and dual 2. 2,000 watt peak, 1,000 watt subs. These are real beefy. We're going to bust these out tomorrow so you can see them. Again, Black Diamond. Check it out, bigjeffaudio.com. We do have an EQ2. Nope, amplifier. I'll find the EQ and I'll bust that out on a video tomorrow for y'all. So check back tomorrow around this time. Got 15s. Rob Farrow. Yeah, we got 15s, bud. I have singles and duals, and I have the T series. So we have the same thing all the way up. Single 4s, dual 2s, dual 4s, and also the 2,000 watt dual 4s. Yes, we got 15s in stock and plenty. We got plenty of inventory right now. We already started shipping. It's all up on the site. We will be making some combos for y'all, so you can just purchase an amp and some speakers. You don't have to think about it. Check back tomorrow. We'll open up some more product, little each day. Happy Veterans Day. Love you. Talk to you soon. Hey, if you haven't checked out, make sure you go to the Black Diamond Audio Facebook page. Make sure you follow us on there, please. Black Diamond Audio on Facebook. We're getting shirts made up, hats, so we'll be giving them out each order. And for people ordering now, if you don't get one, as soon as the shirts and hats come in, we'll definitely send you, or at least get you out something from Big Jeff Audio for sure. All right, love you guys.